Okay, 25. At the end of the 24-hour incubation, the student removed the snail from tube 6 and added 10 drops of a new solution. All right, so I'm going to, just so that I keep my bearings and I know where I am, we know from earlier questions, we're coming over to the right hand side now, that table 2 is the only one that has the tubes down here. So we're looking at tube 6 and we're looking at the end of 24 hours and it was yellow. Okay, that's all I want to do. I mean, it takes a couple of seconds, but I know that that's now what I'm dealing with, and I'm going to go on and read the rest of the questions. So remove the snail from tube 6 and added 10 drops of a new solution, causing the colour of the bromothymol blue solution in the tube to change to blue. Okay. Was the new solution more likely acid or basic? Acidic or basic? Now we have read, if we hadn't read the passage by now, and we have, and if you haven't done the earlier questions or looked at the earlier questions, we had to read the passage for earlier ones. And there is no message, there is no information in the passage of what pH is acidic and what pH is basic or alkaline. So it seems like this is another kind of outside knowledge one where they expect you to kind of know your pHs. And pH, the low numbers are acidic and the high numbers are alkaline or basic. So knowing that, the color went from it went to blue. So hopefully, again, we remember from an earlier question that table 1 on the right hand side here has the colors. Yellow is less than 6, so it's acidic, and it went to blue, so it is basic. So we know, we're going to come back to the left hand side and look at our answers. We know it's gone to blue, and that is basic, so answers A and B are out because it's gone. Table 1 tells us that basic is blue. It's the higher one. It's a higher pH. Now we just have to find the right because. So C says basic because the pH of the blue solution increased. Did it? Well, yes. If you look at table 1, it went from less than 6 to 7.6. So at this point, that would be my answer, and I'm moving on. But again, this is a teaching video, so we're going to check the other answer. But yes, this is true. So I'm keeping this one in. D says basic because the pH of the blue solution decreased. No. The blue solution did not decrease. It went from yellow, which is less than 6, to blue, which is greater than 7.6. So the answer is